And Shazam, just like that, we're into paint color. It's nice to have this all finished, at least with paint. It's a really nice color white. Land Cruisers weren't typically in this stark white color. They did a Singus white on the top, which is an off-white color, kind of a cream color. And they actually painted the truck all that color. My original Land Cruiser that I ever owned back in the 1985 was that Singus white color, all of it, top and sides and all. This is a very stark white color. Still a very nice and crisp color. And so now it's going to be back to the assembly of all the parts. But this looks really sharp.